Here's an amazing offer for everybody, lalong-lalo na women coming from our friends at ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Handog ng ZMMG para sa buwan ng mga kababaihan o para sa mga minamahal nating kababaihan, okay? 10% discount sa mammography buong buwan ng Marso. Ayan, mammography ha? Okay? As you guys all know, mammogram is a low-dose X-ray of the breast used to detect cancer, often before lumps are felt or symptoms develop. Okay? It is the primary screening tool for breast cancer in women. Okay? Mas sabi nga napaka-curable daw basta na-detect early. Okay? So, yeah. So, do have your screening mammography yearly if you are especially 40 years old and above, or at any age if you have risk factors or have lumps palpated. Okay? So, early consultation, detection, and treatment is still better for higher chance of survival. Na up to 99% nga daw di ba? Basta early detected. Call ZMMG Co-op Hospital for appointment. Okay? 602-0278. And they also have their cell phone number. Ano nga ba yung cell phone number? Yun lang yung landline na nakalagay, no? Okay, anyways, yeah. Visit them. Number 14, Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Okay, nadadaanan ng red jeep. No? Bago lumiko dun sa tulay, papunta sa SM Central. Okay? And lastly, the invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Check out the eyewear sale. Consider this your sign to upgrade your sunnies. From March 1 to 31, 2026, the eyewear sale brings you up to 50% off on select brands. Just in time for brighter days ahead. Oh, tamang-tama, summer na, magiging mainit na. Matingkad ang araw. So, check it out. New year, new vibes, the eyewear sale at the SM Store. And also the Possum Playdate. It's National Rabies Awareness Month. Protect your fur babies with a free anti-rabies vaccine at SM City Olongapo Downtown, March 7. Okay, this Saturday na, 1 p.m. So you need to register. There's this link that you need to register to bago kayo pumunta, no? Visit the SM, mahaba yung link eh. Pag binasa ko, di nyo rin masasaulo eh. Just visit the SM Facebook page. Okay? This is gonna be at SM City Olongapo Downtown. So visit the SM Downtown page. Once again, March 7. Because a healthy pet is a happy home. See you at your and your possum companions at the mall. 1 p.m. nga pala, Saturday, March 7, And next up, we have Kaishin Women's Month promo. It's Women's Month, and this one's for you, ladies. Up to 20% off for all women customers only. Okay, from $499, $399 na lang, no? Yung mga package nila. Okay. March 1 to 31 only. Kaishin, Level 2, SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Also check out the newborn sale, up to 20 or up to 50% off on selected newborn outfit essentials, from the sweetest little fits to everyday must-haves. March 1 to 31, 2026. Also at the SM Store, of course. Our Home Summer Home Sale. Refresh your space for the sunny days ahead with Our Home's Summer Home Sale, up to 50% off from March 1 to 31. Discover stylish furniture, cozy accents, and must-have essentials at special summer prices. Third level of SM City Olongapo Central, Our Home. And at Wingyard, meet our best-selling trio, Honey Chicks, Aglio Parmigiana, and Red Reaper. All right. 3 flavors, 1 obsession. Okay. Visit the Wingyard, Level 2 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. It's the SM 3-day sale, up to 70% off. Yeah, that's the advertisement that you will hear for the SM 3-day sale, of course. The 3-day sale is back, and it's your official excuse to finally say add to cart in real life. It's going to be on March 13 to 15. March 13, 14, and 15. So bring your shopping stamina, your besties, and maybe an extra eco bag or 5. Dami, Because when the discounts go up, you need your game face on. See you at the most loved SM City Olongapo Downtown, March 13, 14, and 15, Friday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And the Riders Fair is ongoing up to March 8, 2026. Score up to 50% off on select motorcycle accessories and gear. Gear up for every ride ahead. Okay? Shop in store, the SM Store, Olongapo Central. Okay? Your everyday store. Riders Fair. The Sip and Win promo is up until April 10. Coffee to the max means more zips, more chances to win. Earn a raffle entry for every 500 single or accumulated receipt from participating tenants. Get the chance to win a Suzuki Espresso GLMT. Once again, up until April 10. The weekday plates of Conti's is up until March 13 only. All right? Enjoy a main dish. Pick your main dish. Choose your starter or appetizer. And complimentary iced tea, freshly brewed for only 395 pesos, starting at 395. Hanggang March 13 na lang to, ha? Monday to Friday. So you guys better hurry. And since it's Women's Month, check out the All About Women offers at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Women's Wednesday Sale, March 14, 11, 18, and 25. Women's Wellness Sale, March 1 to 31. The Beauty Cafe, March 8 to 31. And Women's Fitness Fridays, March 6, 13, 20, and 27. All About Women. Be you to the fullest this Women's Month at SM. And lastly, check out the Buy One, Take One Coffee Americano at the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf inside the SM Store at SM Central. Okay? Yung sa SM Store po, sa department store, ha? Buy One, Take One Coffee Americano, Hot Americano hanggang March 15 na lang. Okay? Alright, so there you have it. Those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. And lastly, shout out kay Kuya Justin Rice. Hi, Kuya Justin Rice. I hope you're okay lang dyan, ha, sa Bahrain, ha? Kamusta? Okay ba to? Tong araw na to? Okay kayo? Wala bang problema? Ayan. Sabi niya, hi to all the listeners din daw, sabi ni Kuya Justin Rice. O, yan. Meron kayo special greeting all the way from Bahrain. Ganun talaga kailangan may... Parang may talamak kang sumabit. Parang. Kasi may H yun eh. Bahrain. Di ba when you hear or listen to the Arabic language, parang may dahak lagi, di ba? Tsaka parang gusto nilang magduraan. Parang magduraan. I will hug him, I will cuddle him, and call him George.
What's up, Doc?
Ba't napunta dun? But anyways, yeah. Again, si Kuya Justin Rice kasi nasa Bahrain eh, kaya yan. Good evening sa'yo, ha? Okay, tahimik daw and gradually reopening na ang mga airports. Oh, that's nice. That's good to hear. No? Hindi naman sila talagang